2019 Ford Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, CD player, compass, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, front bucket seats, power driver's seat. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.